Hey guys, Neil here. Welcome back to another video. Pixel's team just pushed the final update before releasing Chapter 2, and that includes guild management features. Let's go over this update and see how it's going to affect you and how it can remove bots from Pixels. Now, this will be very important in Chapter 2 gameplay because farmlands will provide access to higher tiered resources. Guilds can restrict access to their lands, allowing only access to guild members. I think the downside of this is that there are a lot of solo players that don't even engage in communities. Those are the players that use public lands right now, but mostly those public lands have guild. Once those public lands commit to a guild and only provide access to a guild member, it will be harder to take turns on public industries. So I think once Chapter 2 is implemented, solo players can still become solo players as they like, but it will be very hard to get higher tier resources. And even right now, guys, if I visit a public land, it's really hard to take turns even on mills or grills. They always have people or bots using those. It will be very hard to get higher tier resources in Chapter 2. So you probably want to watch this video.
Rent Pixels lands to maximize your performance. At Loot Rush, you can try over 1,000 crypto games while keeping the loot. Some special benefits of land renters: producing potato seeds, cut wood from the land trees, make flour using windmills, optimize energy production using barn barbecue and dry maple. Get additional pixel tasks on the task board. Rent your own Pixels land with Loot Rush now.
Now, going back to guild management, after guild leaders assign roles to guild members, this can be done once a guild member pledges to a guild. Let's just have a quick demo here. So I'm now in my dashboard and I can go to guilds tab. This is the option to pledge to your guild. You can do this if you already have a guild shard. Of course, guild shard prices depend on the number of guild members. The more guild shard holders or guild shard buyers, the higher the price for a guild shard. Yeah, let's just have a quick demo here. Let's go ahead and pledge. So here, pledge your shards in this guild to show your commitment to DC. You may only pledge shards in one guild at a time. This is why you should pledge. You can only become a guild member if you have shard pledge and a guild admin or owner promotes you to a membership status. So this is how it looks like, guys, and once we click pledge, I think there will be some confirmation as well. Guild shards are NFTs, so if you can check here under guild memberships, you can see that this is identified as an NFT, which you can sell in the future if you don't like to play pixels anymore, or if you think you can already take profit and not play pixels anymore. So yeah, this is how it looks like, guys. I've already pledged to DC Guild. This is my only guild. On the other hand, a landowner on a guild can define which role has access to his or her land. Yeah, there will be an option here for the landowner to provide access to either guild leaders, admin, worker, or a member. And yes, I think I have covered enough to explain the most recent update. Shoutouts to Pops, Decembers, Eds, Homeless Jesus, Javan, J, Nania, Shopee. Wait, I feel like I'm promoting this brand. Shopee Delivery. Yeah, thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in my next video.